की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ban Pynhun yaki Nongdie Madan bakin mi no na khandailan ka Sorkar kala Pynhun yaka Jingkwah jongki Jaka ba Jaka bakin Nongdie ha ka Jaka ka baki Jied hi ha ka baningkong ka Sorkar kala Pynhre Jaka yaki ha khrum jongka parking lot jongka muda hanrei kimtre bat kikwa ha kamala kabalai kumta ka Sorkar kala Pynhun yaka Jingkwah jongki bat kala thau yaka ni Jaka ban Pynhun yaki
Graduate.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.